Yo, what is up, guys? Jamaica, let's give it another reaction. And today we're back again with Platinum. You know the thing, of course. Hungry, miserable, lover. So today, who we are reacting today, bro?
Right, so it's Stay Free, Get Lizzy featuring Fredo and 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃. Now this particular collab has been like teased.
Yeah.
And we had no idea when it was gonna drop, so we've literally just seen it. So we're gonna jump straight into it.
Yeah. Let's
yeah.
go. Scared it. Look what. I'm afraid of that, innit? Yeah, me no afraid to tattoo them. Fredo, beg you, one of them raps, and I brother.
Just one.
Just one I rap.
Actually two.
No, you beg too much. Just give me alone. Just give me alone, Fredo. You know the thing, God. If I will give him a look at, I will give him peace, not quarter, you know, peace. That's a slice of the cake.
I'm happy with that.
Alright, yeah. Alright, so let's go.
Stay free, get
Suave, make up yourself.
Stay free, get lazy.
Are we reacting here? Are we breaking down? What are we doing? Breaking down? Alright, let's break down. Fuck it, let's break down. Whoa!
I live in her head for free, and she still gives head to me.
Fuck Rick go on already. Fuck Rick go on, Fredo. Fuck Rick start.
That's the first line, fam.
Fuck Rick start, Fredo. Yeah, fuck Rick. Big up yourself, the G.
I live in her head for free, and she still gives head to me. Yeah, I drop a bag on his head, it's Fred, then he went to bed for cheat.
I live in her head for free. Basically, she always think about him and him only. And the only man she want. That's how Fredo said, not me. You see me? And she still a get head for free.
Oi.
See? Double play on words just so. You get that? Double play on words just so. Then him say a next bar after that, which me never catch. You catch the last bar, him say?
No.
Him say something last. We are breaking down enough, so we pause every 10 seconds and let's you know.
And she still gives head to me. Yeah, I drop a bag on his head, it's Fred, then he went to bed for cheat.
Bruh, okay, so I drop
a bag on him
his head. So I drop 100. That's bag is slang for £1,000.
Yes.
1,000 English pounds.
Yeah.
Puts it on his head, so that means send a man after him.
Yeah, if you bust him head, bust him jelly.
Yeah.
Bust him do the man, gotta make it leak from the side. Yeah, right there.
Boom.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
This money was meant for me. I guess it was meant to be. I'm sorry, mommy, for all of the drugs and money that you wasn't meant to see. It's
Yeah. I'm sorry, mummy, for all the drugs. And yeah, so he's apologizing
To mommy.
to mums.
Yeah.
For obviously the bad life and the drugs them that she had to see, but it led to this life that he's leading now with the money, and he's up. You get me? Also, Fredo is another UK rapper that his career took off after he come out of jail.
Yeah.
Yeah. After that, he dropped a tune called Change, and it's a rap.
It's a rap.
Banging.
Alright, let's go.
meant to be what it's meant to be. On 2 4s like 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃. Don't wanna talk, so I kept it brief. Don't wanna walk, so I jumped in a Porsche.
You get that?
Nah.
Meant to be, it's meant to be on 2 4 like Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve, 24th of December.
Ah, okay.
You get it? You get it? Meant to be, it's meant to be.
On 2 4s like 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐃𝐊𝐃. Don't wanna talk, so I kept it brief. Don't wanna walk, so I jumped in a Porsche.
Don't wanna what? Don't wanna something them kept it.
Don't wanna walk, so I jumped in the Porsche.
No, him said something before that. Don't want.
On 2 4s like 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐃𝐊𝐃. Don't wanna talk, so I kept it brief. Don't wanna walk, so I jumped in a Porsche.
Don't wanna talk, so I kept it brief.
Yeah.
Less talking.
Yeah.
You see me?
Straight to
Yeah, alright.
I left out the door like 10 15s. Fred got more on the way from Quay, so I'm traveling west from M15. Tell them how it is, I don't sell no dreams.
So I tell it how it is. I don't sell no dreams. That last line, so he's telling us straight facts. He's not gassing. He's on this thing, innit? He's not like these other man that claim they're on piss, innit? He's on crud. He's not about to.
And you can see
chat. It.
Yeah.
Real. You can see it. So.
But dog, me affe, yo, Fredo call himself for the, him say the master of the blinks.
Yeah.
Don't get it twisted, that truth.
Yeah.
Look on the man chain.
Yeah. And his grill. Mad.
Yeah, ready? Big up the girl in the video. Look up on the set, baby. Love or no.
Bad bitch from the West Indies, my left on freeze, yes indeed. Yeah, me and my brothers are bad. Don't run, get one in your back.
First of all, big up the girl from West Indies. Him just been on a while ago. Then him say him left arm freeze, which me just mentioned ice. You see me? So it play back. I swear to God, I never heard the song before.
Yeah.
Then him say something else. Him say something else. Before him say him and the brother them bad if I wanna get one on the back. Him say something before that.
Left on freeze, yes indeed. Yeah, me and my brothers are bad.
yeah.
Don't run, get one in your back.
Alright. So if you rush them and you see the nanko you run off, me not care. Me shoot in your back and it's not called a back shot. A girl alone you get back shot, you get gunshot in your.
That's a rocket, we come with the whack. I get my pocket and stuff it with racks. I roll up the weed and stuff in the pack. She rolls up her jeans and stuffs in the back.
Breakdown.
I'm gonna say that last line is the one that caught me first, but that when she rolls
break
up,
it down.
I roll up the weed, stuff in the pack, yeah, and then he's like, she rolls up to talk about the gal now. The gal roll up their jeans and stuff in the bag. So you know the ones that's exactly the action the girl does before she makes that walk of shame. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Oh, the walk of shame. They say.
You know that one there?
Okay.
So yeah, after the night is done, yeah, after we just smoke, chill, do our thing. Fucking.
Yeah,
After
fuckings.
she leaving the ramping shop,
Yeah.
she there pick up her clothes.
Yes.
Picking up her
Fuckings
jeans.
go on, yeah.
She forgets the bra and that,
Yeah.
stuffing it in her bag, and then she
Yeah.
has to go catch a taxi.
Jesus
The
Christ.
Uber.
Not even a drop home. No. Let's go.
They don't trust me, I ain't trusting them back. Bust it out us and we're busting it back. All of my niggas are busting a pack. R.I.P. Billy and Muscle and that.
This is the second song me hear and big up Muscle. Muscle R.I.P. me G. This is the second song. So obviously Muscle are one of him close friend them where him lose. You see me? Your phone, I've started the phone. Yeah. Let's go.
Used to go OT, hustle the pack. If I see feds and I'm shuffling back.
You can't feature that. If me see feds, me I shuffle back. If me see feds, brother, them man you make money, dog.
Real.
No joke, dog.
Real,
Big up the G them, bro.
This girl don't know what to do round me. You man should watch your boo. Man can't tell me they lost my food like everything's cool. That's not the move.
You can't tell me say you lose my food, brother. You have to go find it back.
Oy.
You have to go work off that bumper clot there. You see me? What do you mean now? One coach or one bus or something?
Yeah, it looks like it's
Like a tour bus?
Yeah, like a double-decker bus. In
Yeah.
England, we have these buses that go on two stories. You have the bottom layer and you have upstairs, and that's the top. And this one, it looks like it's a pimped out, blinged out, proper tour bus, double-decker bus that they've lavished up. It's got like fresh bucket seats.
Yeah, it's everything you see.
It's got curtains. It's got charging plugs.
Specially made.
Bro,
Yeah.
mad.
Alright, let's go.
Crazy.
These bricks get chopped in two. These shotties get chopped and used. Tell me, what's the proof?
Each bricks get chopped in two. So basically, one brick at one key. So one brick get chopped into half a key. But you hold that. Every shotty get cut and used. So sawn off shotgun and turning and now. Not the long one them where the farmer them using on. The short one them fat. Where the gangster them use. Alright, trouble.
I done a lot, still lots to do. She asked me why I take risks with a lot to lose. That's how a mobster moves.
Mad.
Ask her why you take risks with a lot to lose. And him answer, that is our mobster move.
Cold.
I live in her head for free, and she still gives head to me. Yeah, I drop a bag on his head, it's Fred, and he went to bed for cheap.
It's Fred. And he went to bed for cheap. I'm gonna get the part still, but
Fred, that's him. He's saying that's me.
Oh, Fredo. Okay.
Yeah.
No, we get it now. But looking upon them two, yeah, obviously them can't see it on the screen. Them can't see Central C at the side.
Yeah.
But looking upon them two, yeah, them look like brother though.
Yeah, do you know what?
Every time-
I was gonna say this. This is quite. This is the first, because I think the first other time I see Central C is the first time I see his face properly.
Yeah.
Like they do look related, and I think they got the same kind of style going
Yeah,
on. You know,
yeah.
with the sleeves
And the tattoo, yeah.
and the blings and the tattoos. Yeah, it's very
This money was meant for me. I guess it was meant to be. I'm sorry, mommy, for all of the drugs and money that you wasn't meant to see. It's
You know, him and Bugsy, when them rap, me actually believe them, dog.
yeah.
When them rap, I actually believe every fucking thing with them said, dog. Call me gullible, But I believe everything what the man them say.
Yeah, for real. Fredo is not that guy. He's not the one to be played with. He's not. I don't think he's puppy show at all. I reckon he's definitely about
that life, eh?
Yeah. At least, yeah, definitely 110%.
Alright, let me go.
Meant to be what it's meant to be. On 2 4s like Xmas Eve. Don't wanna talk, so I kept it brief. Don't wanna walk, so I jumped in the Porsche. I left out the door like.
I like the kick game. I like the fact I use the wordplay. That's quite clever. The wordplay, if you say I'm on 2 4s like Christmas Eve, brother. Him could have said any other month. I'm on 2 4 like, but it not gonna make no sense. So you have to put the Christmas Eve because everybody know what Christmas Eve is.
Yeah.
Easy. So
Like 10 15s. Fred got more on the way from Quay, so I'm traveling west from M15. Tell them how it is, I don't sell no dreams.
where's N15? Not
15.
not London?
Yeah.
Not London.
Yeah.
So if I travel west from from N15.
Warrior.
So if I travel west, watch now, Londoners. Tell me if I'm right here. So if I travel west from North London, I'm gonna take the A10 and the A406. The A406 I gonna bring it back.
How do you know that?
Do my research on the UK map. Do my research on the UK map. Brother, the A10 bring it from Enfield, go right back onto the A406. The A406 I gonna take you right back. You can come off of Oxbridge there, so. I west that, you know. Remember say Oxbridge I west, you know. Me know the whole place, dog. Me think govern. Me have friends everywhere. No joke. Let's go. Blood class.
Tell them how it is, I don't sell no dreams. I don't sell drugs no more, my bro, but I still say yo to the well-known fiend. I'm high.
That lyric back.
Me like the fact say me couldn't know say me not sell drugs anymore, but me still say hello to the junkie them.
Yeah.
Him still say hello, dog.
Yeah, what you say?
What I go on? No good?
Fam.
Yo, stay off my drugs. Stay off it. You know? Unless I'm here sell it.
No,
But him done sell it. Him done sell it. You see it? Yo, me like that. Me like it. Me like that, brother. Me like that.
High profile, but my girl low key. She swing both ways. LGBT, LMAO, I'm DAD. You can.
First him say him low profile, but him no. He's high profile, but his girl is low profile basically. So she's not in the limelight.
Yeah.
Then him say him girl swing both ways, the LGBT, and you don't know the straight way.
That was dope.
Okay, freaky girl, them girl, let me like still.
Come against me, my G feel free, but that wouldn't be good for your self-esteem. Put man in their place now. He don't wanna chat no more now. He don't.
He's gonna step up on next level now. What do you think? Like this is third gear. Am I gonna jump from fourth and go straight to fifth now?
Warrior.
Let's go.
Wanna rap no more. Talk is cheap, that's all he can afford. These sweets are raw, expensive corn. Bando settings.
The sweets are raw, expensive corn. Shut him attack, you know.
Warrior.
Shut him attack.
Receptions poor in the crackhead's kitchen extension cord. All I need is a charger, less is more. Got a nanka prevention, is better than curing or lower the.
Bro, the man them kick game strong in the dog.
Yeah,
Them
I know,
kicks
bro.
game strong in the.
Mad.
Them kicks game strong, dog. No joke, me need to go do some shopping, brother. Get my kicks game up too. If anybody want to donate some kicks to me, just ask me the size in my comment section and say, yeah.
The country I never done tours. I fuck with hoes, but I never love whores. Diamonds not from Sierra Leone. These too fit, cost me a pair of Dior's.
Mad. Pull up, what you saying?
Fuck with hoes, but I never love whores. Diamonds not from Sierra Leone. These too fit, cost me a pair of Dior's.
These two what?
These two fits cost me a pair of
Two fakes. Two what? Ear?
Must be an ear or two fits.
What is a fit? Much?
I don't know, bro.
Cost him a pair there?
I'll be honest, I don't know. Sometimes the stuff for sale you don't know. I don't know.
Yeah. Leave in the comment section when
That's
does say
a
what.
whole different tax bracket to me.
I ask him. Leave in the comment section what I'm saying.
Was up there, but he ain't there anymore. Snakes around, I'm aware of them all. I'm a man on my own, I don't care who you call.
Jesus Christ. That video. Let me save it for now.
I live in her head for free, and she still gives head to me. Yeah, I drop a bag on his head. It's
Brother, the two man them just look alike to me. Like the two man them just look like Fredo are the bigger brother. See are the younger brother.
Yeah. And that you could attribute that both to the music game as well.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So yeah.
Fred Fred, then he went to bed for cheap. This money was meant for me. I guess it was meant to be. I'm sorry, mommy, for all of the drugs I'm.
But like the fact also, although him independent and I make him own money, him still a play homage to mommy. Mommy, I'm sorry, but I have to do this to make you happy. You see me? You drive a nice car, your mortgage pay for, you know, a nice fat house. You see me? You're good, you wear some clean clothes, mommy. But sorry, this is what I have to do to make you get that. I'm tell myself, see, you're not going to do no more 95 and I work with nobody. So live like a queen that you are. I like that.
Money that you wasn't meant to see, it's meant to be what it's meant to be. On 2 4s like Xmas Eve. Don't wanna talk, so I kept it brief.
But we just can't stop pausing. Every time I say I'm on 2 4s, like I've never heard that in a song before. Me never hear that.
That's bad.
On 2 4s like Christmas Eve, me never hear that. That's why I have to keep pausing it, cause that's just genius.
Don't wanna walk, so I jumped in a Porsche. I left out the door like 10 Bedines. Fred got more on the way from Quay, so I'm traveling west from M15.
See, let me get up out the door and move on the blood clot. My travel away from N15, A4, 6, A10, I'm moving on the pussy clot.
Them how it is, I don't sell no dreams.
Stay free, get lazy.
Yo, they gotta enjoy themselves. Everybody that eat food. Get yeah.
Can I just point out that throughout this whole video, it's been lavish. There's not been one
Pop down part.
Yeah, I know. The whole, not one. Like the whole, every location like has been lavish. Even Kick Game in the UK is an exclusive Crep and Trainers sneaker spot. So even that's money. Everything just screams money, and that's the whole motif of Fredo and Central C. We see that live right now. So
Stay free, get lazy.
must be a producer.
I'm about to sleep.
I don't know what he's doing.
Brother, we had to sleep.
Looks like he's had a good meal and he's just meditating now, bro.
You know what that called?
What that?
When time me eat food, when time me consume food and drop asleep. You know what it called?
Itis.
Niggeritis.
Niggeritis. I'm trying to be PG.
No, PG, your blood clot. Him have niggeritis.
Yeah.
All he need now is a fat spliff.
Yeah.
And one of them girl next to him in bed and him good.
Ooh.
Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog.
Yeah, that was dope.
Yo, the fact say Fredo and my boy link up and C link up, Central C link
Central
up.
C.
Me like the unity.
Yeah.
Me like the unity. Cause normally that is my beef can each other drop words and things. Me like that. The link up here is very good. Me love it. So the fact that them link up. The fact that them link up is a very good link up.
Yeah.
Me love that.
Yeah.
You see me?
For real.
So this is how we're gonna end the video. You have nothing to say? Sorry, you have nothing to say?
Nah, I'm just going off what you're saying.
Yeah.
The unity's strong.
Yeah.
There was a couple. There was a lot of quotable lines in there.
Yeah.
I feel that as well. Fredo and Central C definitely complemented each other.
Yes.
On this song, like I was at first.
Yeah.
When I saw the teaser they put out, I can't remember if it was at the start of the week. I think I sent you a message and say, "Yo, you gotta look out for this one." Didn't know when it was gonna drop. When it dropped, and it was just good to see them that they both. I wasn't sure about how the dynamic will work or what to expect from them both, but I don't think that was one that was stronger than the other. They
complement each other.
Come together nicely on some real music shit. So yeah, that was a hard collab. It was sick, hard video.
Definitely.
It was dope. It was
definitely.
It was definitely. Man.
So guys, if you like the breakdown and want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please like the video. Full video to this is gonna be down in the description below. You don't know. Big up my boy Platinum for passing through as always. Big up on yourself, guys. Big up the new subscriber. I'm soon. But out of here. Peace out.